How to build links for SEO. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to build links for SEO. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what is link building and what is SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it is what makes our website stand higher in search results, and it helps us improve SEO of our website, and we get more audience, more views, and in return our website gets famous. We get more clients if it's a appointment website. We get more customers if it's an e-commerce platform. So it really helps us to grow our blog or our website. So working on SEO is an important part of creating a website and then creating something. So link building and SEO is an important part of your website, and whenever you're creating a website online, you need to understand that you have to work on link building. So that's what we will cover today. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial for you guys. I'll show you different platforms that help you with link building, and I'll give you a quick guide as well, what it is, help you understand, and then I'll also show you that if you cannot do it, what is one way that you can actually hire people to do that for you for very cheap rates. So let's get into the video. So first of all, we need to understand what is link building. Well, in simple words, link building is a practice of building one-way hyperlinks, also known as backlinks, to a website with the goal of improving search engine visibility. Common link building strategies include content marketing, building useful tools, email outreach, broken link building, and public relations. Anything that will actually bring traffic to your website is known as backlinking, not just adding links to your website. Now let me show you like the easiest way we do it. For example, I have a blogger.com, right? So what I can do now is I can just go to my new post. Let me actually show you what people think what is link building. It is kind of like building and adding links to your blogs, but it does not mean that we're actually working. If it's not going to work, if it's not bringing traffic, it's not serving the purpose. So I have, a blog right here, and let's say I'm writing a blog and I write the word exercise in it, right? And then what I can do is, or maybe I write the word footwear. Now, let's say that I have another website or a website from where I know there is a lot of traffic there, and I will be able to get traffic from there. So what I can do is I can just select the word exercise and I can add a link to it. It happens on every website, anywhere on the websites that we create on WordPress. All of those websites allow us to create buttons, and they allow us to add links to our websites and e-commerce store. That actually helps us to work on our SEO, and we can bring traffic from other websites to our website as well. So we can just add the link to the word here, or even on Blogger, what I do is we have the permalink option given here. And this is like a link for my blog, and what I can do is I can add any kind of HTML right here, and this is the link that I can add to other websites as well, to my other blogs, and this way I will be able to actually get more traffic and bring more traffic to my blog or my website. So this is the simplest example for you guys, but we're talking about building SEO. So for that, you will need a help of a tool. So I suggest going to ahrefs.com, ahrefs.com. So this is ahrefs.com, world's leading backlink builder, and that allows you to increase your SEO. So what you need to do is, once you are on ahrefs.com, this is a pretty good platform. I'll show you the features in a second. If you do not have an account, you can sign up by just going to this option right here, and it will allow you to select from a pricing plan. Pricing plan is going to be a little, this is where you will be investing a little. The light plan starts from $99, and you can subscribe. You will be getting your own SEO dashboard, your own site explorer, keyword explorer, site audit, rank tracker, and alerts. So here we have our different tools, and when it comes to the advanced one, then we're getting a lot of different things. We are getting our SSO, directly listing, pay by invoice, access management, and more options, but this is the one that you can go for once you sign up for Ahrefs. Now let me show you how it helps you with the SEO and with the link building. It has its own dashboard. So even on the dashboard, what happens is that I can check different keywords. Now, keywords are really important when it comes to creating and writing a blog. And that keywords are an important part of SEO. If you do not have the right keywords, your website or your YouTube channel won't rank higher in search results, and your video or your blog or your website or your store won't get the traffic that you need. So working on it helps you with the keywords. First of all, it will help you check different keywords, their ranking, and what keywords are actually doing well. When it comes to the link building, it will show you the domain rating, referring domains, backlinks, organic traffic, organic keywords, and traffic that you're getting from different regions of the world. Then we have a Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Site Audit, and Rank Tracker available. If I talk about the, Site Explorer, this is where we can actually check our backlinks and we can compare them to other websites as well. So for example, I want to, check my backlink, and I have created backlinks, then I can actually compare it to other websites as well. And it will show me all of the different insights and details into my backlinks and everything. So building backlink is really easy, and it brings a organic traffic to your website or blog, and it allows you to run a successful business online, any kind of business that you are running. So you can work on the keywords and you can check different, for example, your keyword is Teespring, right? So you can just type in Teespring and it will show you all the data, the ads, the volume, KC, CPC for that, traffic for that, results for that, and different URLs that are available. And then you will be able to get all information into it. So this is Ahref right here. If you are looking for a tool for your link building, then you can go ahead and check out ahrefs.com. Now I have another thing for you guys. Let's say that you do not understand backlinks, you're not understanding how to create them, you don't understand SEO well. Then I would suggest, in order to build your links for SEO, you can hire someone to do that for you. And you can hire someone for a lot cheaper price than $99 and buying a platform. So for that, what we do is we just go to a freelancing platform such as Fiverr.com. And what you can do is you can just go to the trending, and it will actually show you the SEO, because SEO is a trending topic and there are a lot of different people who are working in this niche. So if I just scroll down a little bit, I will be able to see like people working for you for just $20 and $30, and they're helping you increase SEO and actually creating links for you. So if you're looking for a way to build links for SEO, then you can hire a skilled person, a specialist, for just like very cheap prices, and you can work on your SEO or backlinks as well. So this is just for those people who are complete beginner and they have a website and they want to work on the SEO, then this is an option for you guys that you can use, and it will allow you to actually increase the SEO of your website or your store, and then you will be able to run a successful business and you will be able to work and improve your SEO, and it will help your website rank higher. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to build links for SEO. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on a bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.